Okay, last page of the review. So identify, describe, and correct the error in solving the following inequality. Same thing as before, so 25y. So it looks like they subtracted 15y. They're moving it over here. That looks good. 15y goes away, negative 20. Sign stays the same because I'm just subtracting 10. 25y minus 15y is 10y. Looks good. That looks good. 10y plus 10. Looks like they subtracted 10. Okay, left with 10y, that looks good. Sign stays the same, subtracted 10, negative 30. That looks good. Divide by 10. Divide by 10, I get y by itself, I get negative 3. They flipped the sign. Why? They should not have flipped the sign. Error in step 3. Just because this is negative doesn't mean you flip the sign, only if this was negative. So, they flip the sign when they divided by a positive 10. You only flip it when you multiply or divide by a negative. That's what they did. Correct the error. Alright, let's write this then. 25. I'm going to do it right up here. So we got 25y plus 10 greater than 15y minus 20. I would subtract 15y. Subtract 15y. I get 10y plus 10 greater than negative 20. Subtract that 10 over. I get 10y greater than negative 30. Divide by the 10. I get y is greater than negative 3. So y is greater than negative 3 would be the correct answer. I showed all my steps right up there. Alright. Interest formula, using the simple interest formula, they give it to us. I equals principal times rate times time. I is the interest, P is the principal, R is the interest rate expressed in a decimal, T is the time expressed in years. That's the tricky part. So they're telling us, what is the interest on $2,500 invested for 60 months in an account that earns simple interest? So, what is the interest? Equals principal, $2,500, times the rate, which is 0.6% or 6%. But I have to take that and I have to change it to a decimal, so it's 0.06 times the time, which has to be in years, 60 months. How many months? So let's see, 60 months. I know that there's 12 months in a year, so I'm going to divide that out, and that's going to be 5 years. So 5 is going to go here, and it's going straight into the calculator. So we got 2,500 times 0.06. 2,500 times 0.06 times 5 equals $750. $750. Alright? Another problem like that, using this interest formula. What is the interest on 4,000? So, interest equals 4,300. That's my starting amount or principal. Okay? Times this 5.5. I gotta change it to 0.055 time 18 months. Well, how many years is 18 months? It's a year and a half. That's all it is. So into the calculator, we're gonna say 4,350 times 0.055 times 1.5 equals 358.8. I'm going to round that 7 up to an 8. That's how much my interest is. We are done with the review. Good luck on that test.